The defining resource of this century isn't pulled from the earth. It is created in factories where energy and compute is turned into raw intelligence. For a nation to secure its future, it must control the foundation that powers its innovation. It must possess the capability to process its own data on its own soil, to solve its own challenges. This is the promise of sovereign AI. Here in Japan, a country whose legacy of precision engineering and manufacturing excellence is recognized globally, that foundation is taking shape. We are building the infrastructure required to elevate an entire national ecosystem. This is the computing power necessary to accelerate medical breakthroughs and streamline complex research. It is the intelligence required to take on the work that is too dangerous, too demanding, or simply too difficult for human hands. Improving lives by protecting them. When you deploy dedicated AI infrastructure at a gigawatt scale, you are doing more than building a data center. You are invigorating industries. You are giving logistics, agriculture, and manufacturing the computational bedrock they need to lead the next era of global competitiveness. This is the Kagoshima AI Factory, a sovereign foundation for a sovereign future. And it starts right here.